Miguel Rocky. Hello. What's up? So we're finally live. I cannot hear Rakesh. How are you doing, Rakesh? How are you?
You're looking nice as usual.
Thank you. You're looking nice too. Oh, Aku's online.
I can't see any messages though.
They're all down. See? They're all coming up down.
Cool.
Well, Sharian? Huh? Sharians. 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 Where are all the Sharians?
Okay, so should we start doing the questions that we had asked yesterday?
Yeah, so a bunch of people have sent us a lot of questions. So I think we'll just take up some of them and answer.
The first and the most popular one, please tell Rakesh to participate in BB15.
Rakesh, do you have anything to say about that? A lot of people want you to participate in BB15 and I am going in. So what do you have to say about that?
What do you have to say? I have nothing to say actually. बिग बॉस में जब आया था ओटीटी में तो लगा नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊंगा इतना, पर अभी कर लिया। अभी मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरा थोड़ा टाइम आउट हो गया, इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि शायद ना आऊं। तो लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं आऊं, तो पता नहीं क्या अभी मैं थोड़ा सा, जैसे मैं बिग बॉस में था ना इंडिसिसिव, में अभी भी ऐसा ही हूँ। तो बेसिकली जो घर में हुआ वो बाहर भी वैसे ही हो रहा है मेरे साथ। सॉरी।
आपके सारे फैंस आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आपको आना चाहिए।
चलो मैं सोच के बताता हूँ मेरी।
One habit of Rakesh that irritates you a lot.
One habit
of Rakesh.
One habit of Rakesh that irritates me a lot.
Everything, I think.
I think you drink way too much tea. Way too much tea. You need to cut down some of the tea. Some of the tea intake.
I will. अभी तो इतनी मिलती नहीं है चाय जितनी बिग बॉस के हाउस में बनती थी।
हाँ?
घर पे इतनी मिलती नहीं है चाय जितनी बिग बॉस के घर में मिलती थी।
Okay.
Shamita, you'll make, but I don't want to have black tea.
I know how to make that adrak wali chai, okay? With all those 1001 masalas that go in. Just to let you know. I made it once also for you. नाम खराब करके रख दिया तुमने मेरा.
और क्या?
Varika
following you
come together in BB. Ria. See, Sangeeta is also telling you, please come to, please go into Big Boss 15. Okay, what's the next question?
Next question, ma'am, आप और राकेश सर के पिक्स और रील्स कब आएंगे इंस्टा पे?
हमारे पिक्चर्स और रील्स कब आएंगे इंस्टा में? Well, we'll put up something soon. I think मैं राकेश से क्या दो तीन दिन पहले ही मिली हूँ। वो बहुत बिजी थे, वो अपनी फैमिली को देखने गए थे पूना में, and just about met. So yeah, we'll get to it soon. What say, Rakesh?
I think we'll do it now soon. एक दो दिन में बहुत सारे आ जाएंगे रील्स।
Rakesh, you look very innocent. Somebody has just said you look very innocent. He's not that innocent, yeah?
I'm very innocent. I'm like when you scratch an angel, you'll find a devil inside.
Exactly.
The next question is for Rakesh. Do you watch Korean series?
Rakesh, do you watch Korean series?
Shamita, you told me to come home and watch. We'll watch it together. So let's do it. What say?
Really? Okay, let's do this. Love from Nepal. Hello. Are you in a relationship, Shamita? Really? कौन पूछ रहा है ये? Okay, what's the next question?
The first thing you both noticed and found attractive about each other.
The first thing we noticed and found attractive about each other. For me, it was Rakesh's simplicity. That's what attracted me to him. Rakesh, what about you?
I think Shamita is very जो वो है वो दिखता है तो
He's frozen on my screen. Rakesh is frozen on my screen. To see all the comments. Sushil